Hello, this is Mr. Gregory, and I want to share a song that I wrote for my friends at the Montessori school called We Love the Water. The words are pretty easy. Drip, 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 drop. So we're going to start singing with that. Once you've mastered the singing, you could play along with the F chord on ukulele. To play the F chord, you take your pointer finger, your first finger, and you go on the first fret of the second string, okay? From the bottom, first string, second string. That's the first fret. That's the second fret. So you take your second finger, put it on that tippity top string up there, on the top note, okay? But before you do ukulele, please memorize all the words. So here we go. Get ready to sing along. Drip, 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 drop. 1, 2, ready, and. Thanks for listening. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and browse my ukulele playlist.